guys, welcome back. My name's Niki. Welcome to my art channel. Two pieces today, both on 12 by 16s with a black base. And my colours will all be listed in the description box below. This is Vivid Pink by Amsterdam and a self-mixed Ready Orange Metallic. I will put it what I used in the description box. Click on the title and it takes you straight there. Another self-mixed violet colour, like a plummy violet. That's the Vivid Pink again. Actually, it's not, I'm wrong, it's not Amsterdam, it's Pebeo, Vivid Pink by Pebeo, and this is Liquitex Metallic Gold. So I'm using my catalyst wedge again. I still haven't got the size that I want. Mine have got larger teeth than I've seen others use, but I've ordered one, so I'm just waiting for it to arrive. So I'll let you watch and yeah, come back to you at the end.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Bet you never loved someone. Bet you never loved somebody like I just did. Bet you always hurt the ones. Hurt the ones you say you're so deep in love with. You don't know nothing, 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 nothing. You don't know what it feels like. Baby, I'm hurting, 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 hurting. And you don't even ask why. Why I'm staying up all night. I haven't slept since you came into my life. Why I'm drinking all the time. Why I'm feeling lonely when you're here by my side. I just want something, 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 something from you that feels right. But I know nothing, nothing. baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I'm all you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way.
Don't answer the phone, spending the days on my own, then repeats this for weeks to come. I don't care what I miss, 'cause my life is dismissed. I keep searching for my bliss. It took days to finally start writing songs, but now it's begun. I go oh, 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 oh. I go oh, 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 oh. I sing along
So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed them both. I like the colours. I think they look lovely on the black. I love black bases. So messy to use, but so pretty. Right, so everybody take care and stay safe, and please like, share and subscribe, and please keep commenting. I love all your comments. You're all just amazing. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye guys, take care.